I've been working on this old lathe. It's an old Sears Dunlap. Yeah, it's pretty freaking bad. I knew it was bad when I first picked it up, but I didn't realize it was this bad. I had to use heat on here just to get the fingers out. I had to use heat and, well, had a elbow grease. One stripped out. I had to beat a 1/4 inch Allen wrench in it. Just get it out. Yeah, woman said, yeah, it works. She knows it works. I was like, it's not working in this condition. Something about her husband had it or something. I'll tell you a story on that later, but yeah, that's what I got so far. It's more than $50 for it. I got her down to 40 for that. And it's more than 50 for that. An old bandsaw. Said she knows they work. Yeah, well, the motor's fried on that. So her husband died like a year ago. And I guess supposedly they said on the floor in her garage, which has a cement floor. Well, these look like they've been dug out of a field somewhere. And it's not even on there. Everything's all rusted up. The bearing in the back's just, just dangling there. That's what you want to call it. I ain't never really checked this here out. That's the other part of the lathe. So I got everything to the lathe. Everything moves on it. Well, except for the jaws. They didn't move at all. We got them all out. So now what we can do is go work on taking this here all apart. Getting it all cleaned up. And I think I'm going to use vinegar on this. To kind of de-rust it. Then a wire wheel. Maybe scouring pads or something. I'll find a way. I'll get it to look as good as I can anyway. Now paint it up. And I guess we'll go from there. Because right now, I get this nut here off, but that there's seized up. I don't know if I need to take it off or not. We'll see. I got that so she opens and closes. Not easy, but it works. Yeah, I just thought I'd give you a little update on that. I haven't made a video in a while. Yeah, these fingers are pretty bad. They did not want to come out of there. The so-called add in vinegar too. Vinegar does wonders. Alright, I'll show you later. Alright, this old lathe that I picked up was all rusty. All of it looked like it right there. Look at the rails. All rusted up. I soaked it last night, that little part right there that you can see. Stuck a rag on it with vinegar. Straight vinegar. I got on there and I kind of scraped it and cleaned it up. I actually have vinegars shining it right up. See the difference? And I noticed down here, cleaning this here up with a wire brush and vinegar. Underneath this rust is actually blue. I was kind of surprised. So I'm kind of scraping this rust off with my brush and vinegar, and I'm getting this. I thought that was kind of cool. If I can get it to look like this after I clean it up a little bit, I might not even paint it. That'd just be like Pantene. Alright, just thought I'd share. There's the rest of this stuff. See how rusted this is? It's been soaking in vinegar. I gotta do the same thing with a wire brush it. And then I'll see how that there turns out. Other parts in there. But yeah. Let's get at it. And that's the bed. Got it all soaking down with vinegar and wrapped it up with, well, Walmart bags. Got some more parts soaking in here for the night. I'm thinking might do the same thing over there. Go ahead and get some more vinegar and a rag on that. Now put another plastic bag over there and tie it so it doesn't fall apart. And we'll just see what it looks like in the morning. Yeah, I'm surprised. You seen what that looked like the other day. Yeah, look at that now. Take some of the rust off and the blue shines through a little bit. But yeah, let's see what that bed looks like in the morning. Well, it'll be afternoon, but yeah, no spot there I didn't get, but that'll be alright. Alright, see you in the morning. Alright, back with tripod. Here's a bad angle, I know, guys. But I'm just kind of, like I said, it's been about 24 hours now. I'm down there in the corner. You can see it now, right down there. Wasn't covered, but anyhow. Let's see what this here looks like. It's 24 hours. I'm curious. It's kind of windy, so I imagine my bags are going to want to blow away. There's a rock holding down. Looks pretty freaking nasty, huh? Look at the bags. Look at the bags. Oh, yeah. You see that? Kind of looks like crap still. Now, some of that's vinegar. Start kind of brush on here a little bit. Let me get a new steel wool. New piece of steel wool. Alright. Get that in there. That's just water. Water and put something in it? I don't think I put something in it. New paint. Alright, this is water here. Clean this here up. Ooh, look at that. Look at that there. That's what I was looking for. That is nice there. Sure needs a little more work. Look at that. That's what I'm looking for. Here, get you down so you can see that. See how clean that there is? That's just vinegar. Soaking that in that. Oh, soaking that in vinegar for. Actually, I think this part here might have been done twice. I think it's the second night. Well, part of it anyway. See, out there is actually pretty good compared to that. Look at that. That's what it looks like here. That's what it looks like after vinegar. Yeah, that's a big difference. Yeah, that's a big difference. So yeah, vinegar works. That's nice. I'll soak this again tonight too. Yeah. Actually, let me do this here. I did clean up the sides pretty good, but as much rust that they had on there, You're not going to get it all. It is pretty bad. But yeah, I am impressed on the top of that. I'm using the wrong one. That's a pretty bad. That was a clean pad. But yeah. I'm impressed. Alright, I'm going to finish this here up and see what I got. I'll show you in a minute. Alright, well that's the best I'm going to get it for tonight. Go ahead and sort it back down. I'm going to cover it back up just like I did. I'm going to see what it looks like tomorrow. Should look like that. There you go. I notice the sides though, they're better, but they're not as good as I would like. See, you know, the blue's sticking out now, but it's not as good as I'd like it, so I'm thinking I might go ahead and repaint this. See, this side isn't bad. If it looked like this side, I'd probably leave it. Let me get a rag, let me dry it off so I can show you. There's one on the floor. What's it doing down there? See, this side isn't too bad. It isn't the greatest either. But if I could get the whole thing to look like this, I think that looks kind of cool. Kind of shows its age. I'd leave it like that. Get the top looking like this. Yeah, I like that. But yeah, if I can get this here off so it kind of looks like that, that's what I'll do. If not, I might just kind of go through and just kind of put a coat of paint on there. Alright, well let's get this here done and get it back soaking. And I'll work on this stuff. Alright.